So hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to talk about Communicate's live chat plugin. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So let's first talk about what Communicate is. Communicate is a hybrid human plus bot customer support platform, and the best thing about it is it will provide you with its own dashboard for all the feature customization and your support area for receiving and replying to queries. What that means is it will not be taking any of your website's hosting space, and neither it will affect the site's loading speed because it works on Communicate's own servers. You just need to install your script and paste it into your website's code and you're done. That is how easy it is to install Communicate's live chat plugin. So let's straight get into the plugin review part. Let me first start by showing you how fast it is. Suppose this is your website and here is the chat plugin which you have installed. The user will land onto your site and click the chat widget. As you can see here, I have already started the demo conversation, and if I want to write that I wanted to ask a question, and as soon as I press enter, I have already received the message on my dashboard. That is how fast it is. It's in real time. There is no lag, no delay as such. And from the dashboard itself, I can reply to my customer's query. I can just write, yeah, sure, I'll be happy to help. And now the customer must have received it. Yeah, here it is. So guys, as you can see, it's in real time. There's no lag, no delay. You can customize this chat window, change its colors to match your website's colors, and many more features. The best part about it is bot integration panel. You can integrate your custom bot with this chat plugin. Your bot can be from any platform like Dialogflow, Amazon Lex, etc. Even if you don't have a custom bot yet, Communicate has its own custom GUI bot builder which is completely codeless. It is called Compose, and you can easily create a custom bot with it in no time. There are many other integration options available as well, and my personal favorite is Facebook. Yes, you can even integrate this chat plugin with your Facebook page and let your chatbot manage all the messages which you get in your Facebook Messenger. Let's talk about some other features. First of all, this whole thing is a codeless experience. You don't have to code anything. Everything is just ready to deploy for you on your Communicate dashboard. You don't have to go anywhere else. You will find your custom script. You can build your custom bot. Everything from the website itself. And trust me, having your own chatbot has its perks. You don't have to rely on anyone else. You can control everything on your own, and it is super easy, and the bot can take conversation 24/7. And I've already talked about dashboard. You can handle multiple conversations from the dashboard itself effortlessly. And as I was saying, you can customize your chat window, your chat widget according to your needs, according to your website. There are tons of customization options to tune it according to your brand image and use case so that your customer feels at home. Another cool feature which I'll show you is right here. You can also enable CSAT ratings so that your customers can give feedback and leave comments about their customer support experience. And one really cool feature which I want to talk about is the bot to human handoff feature. You can just click automatic assignments here, and any of the agent which is online from your website, the pending conversation will be assigned to that agent, and then that agent can reply to your customer's query. And in case that agent goes offline, you can enable this reassignment of conversation feature, which will work in case a chat is having pending replies, and then that chat will be reassigned to other available agents if the current agent has gone offline. Managing customer support has never been this easy, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.